Alright, so we made it to Fort Pierce. I believe Jason is here already, ready to go. I'm gonna grab some gas and we're gonna head out to Okeechobee. Oh, Jason's right there. I'm gonna stop and grab some gas and then we'll head out. Alright, so we met up with Jason here at the Wawa. We're about to head out. We're about to go to Okeechobee. He just did the BNR too. That sound good.
It's only like quarter throttle.
I'm gonna have to buy something to try to keep up with him. It was already fast. I was already fighting to keep up with him. I'm gonna have to get something. Either I'm gonna have to get a Vanderhall, or I'm gonna have to do something to the Ryker. Alright, so we made it here to the Wawa. This is where we're gonna be meeting Steven at. He should be here around 11 or so. Whatever it is, we're gonna grab a cup of coffee before we head out. Steve, Josh, what's up, brother?
Josh, what's up?
How was the ride up?
It's long.
Take like 2 hours?
220.
220? So this is Ryker Bee.
This is Ryker Bee.
Nice, nice. So you had a wrap?
They're like decals. It's not so much of a wrap other than like basically stickers. A guy in Russia designed and printed it and sent it to me.
How long have you had it on the Ryker?
6 months or so. I got it done not long after I got it. Got it in April.
What else have you done to it?
Fender lights, ignition, parking brake lock, the case up here, which is ugly, but it works.
No, actually, I was gonna ask you, yeah. But it goes where the max mount, okay.
Yeah. I don't mind 2 up anyway.
It's a 600?
Yeah.
This Can-Am seat. This is the comfort seat.
Hey, it's definitely better than stock. Because 2 stars, that's 3.5.
You got the cup holder.
Yeah.
Yep.
Lost my cover for the muffler trim. Came off. I'm gonna get an RLS though.
RLS? Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with an RLS.
I like the way this 600 sounds. It sounds like a helicopter chopping.
Yeah.
You know? But
right.
with the exhaust, it sounds really good. Have you done anything with the headlights or
Yeah,
not?
they're the LED Slingmods T2.
Okay, yeah, I see. Nice.
Yeah, they're, and then I put the Slingmods fender lights on for intake.
Vent.
Yeah.
What's up with the windshield? How's this working out for you?
It helps with the wind.
You think it's ugly?
I think it is, yeah. I mean, it takes away from the sportiness of it.
Probably should have got it, the tinted one. Maybe he probably would have went, because the black would have probably matched a little bit. They sell one, I think, already, like black. So Steve from Ryker Riders made it out. I'm gonna take the 2 Rykers and the Vanderhall down to Lake Okeechobee and see what we see out there, all right? All right, Narari, let's do your thing. Behind me. Isn't that nice? That was cool. All right, Steve, question. What don't you like about the Ryker?
What don't I like?
Yes.
I honestly can't think of anything I don't like.
Really?
about it.
Okay.
I mean, the comfort, but I knew what I was getting when I bought it, right?
But if you ride it for less than 2 hours, there's no issue
I'm
with the
fine.
comfort.
Yeah,
it's anything long distance. So
I'm
at
thinking about getting a Spider just
I was
so
gonna
my
say.
wife can ride as well.
All right,
So I'll never get rid of this.
Okay.
I'll still keep the Ryker.
you'll add it.
Sure.
It'll be an addition. Okay.
Yeah, I have had 0 problems.
Okay. Same. I haven't had any.
9,700 miles, I guess, right now. 9852 and not a problem.
Okay. Same. I mean, I got over 3,000 miles. I haven't had one issue with the bike. Do you do any of your maintenance yourself or not?
Nah.
You just take it in.
Well, the only thing I've done to it is put the BajaRon inlay links on.
Okay, yeah. You did those yourself?
That makes a huge difference.
Not the sway bar though, just the end links you did on?
already metal, so I didn't see a need to do that.
Personally, when I first got it, I did the end links on mine too. I didn't do the sway bar. I felt like wobbly on it, but I came from 2 wheels, so I wanted to lean this thing.
Okay.
You know?
Right.
It took me a while. Even when I got here, I was still kind of like iffy on it, but I think the more miles I put on it, the better I feel on it.
Yeah, the more comfortable you are, for sure.
But
The point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
well, you can see it on your phone, right?
Yeah. 1,000 feet up, 1,000 feet out. They warned you because of, I saw when we were pulling in here, I saw an airport. So
Okay.
394 feet is safe to fly pretty much anywhere.
Guy.
I don't see it. Do you see it?
No, I don't see it. It's actually pretty cool. Steve got to fly his drone a little bit. See if we can get to the other side, see what's over there. Robbie looking sharp. He's in his element. He got some dirt. He likes it out here. He wants to get dirty. Can't wait to find a real spot. We're kind of all just trailing each other, so we kind of like we're all gonna part ways from here. Well, that pretty much is gonna conclude our ride for today. To the next one.